Hey everybody, what's up? It's Iz here with Friday Fishing with Iz. I've been getting a lot of questions about the gear that I use when I'm making fishing videos. So I'm gonna run down real quick my camera gear. Of course you need your fishing poles and your lures and stuff like that, but that's another video. Right now I'm gonna run down my camera gear and what I use. All right, first off, I use the GoPro. I got the GoPro Hero 9, I believe, yeah, the Hero 9, see? I got two of them. Got one here and one right here. These are the ones that I use the most. This one is always mounted to my hat, the Puma hat that I always wear. I bought this little hat clamp on Amazon. And man, to me, it's a lot better because it's not right here. You don't have a lot of your fishing pole and your hands getting in the way. It's not on the shoulder because you're moving constantly. It's right here on the bill of my hat. So I'm always, got it right there. You see me in the pictures. But yeah, that's how I do it. And you get the whole view of everything. There's no, everywhere your head turns, everything, it's gonna be right there, like first person view type of deal. All right. On this here, I have a microphone adapter. It's the Rode mic adapter. It just USB plugs into your charger port. I mean, let me tell you, this makes a world of difference. Because along with it, I have the Rode microphone. It was a little expensive, but it's worth it. It's directional. You can clip it onto here, and it delivers the signal straight into the camera, and it processes it, puts it on the memory card. So this is the main thing: the GoPro mic adapter and the Rode lav mic, or clip mic, or whatever you want to call it. In the film industry, we call it the lavalier mic. So it's a lavalier. You can put it right here, and it's directional. You don't get all the surrounding noise and stuff like that. And if it's windy, it's going to blow on it. Of course, it's kind of hard to eliminate that. But as for all the other road noise and stuff like that, it's really directional. It's right there, clear sounding, picks up really nice. Like I said, this was a little expensive. It was like $80-something just for this. This is just the mic by itself, but it's well worth it. I promise you. Again, the GoPro mic adapter. And in order to use this, I bought this little extra door for the battery port and the SD card port. But it's got a little slot in it. You can see it right here. And that's so that I can plug it in while the door is closed. So that makes a world of difference. The regular door doesn't come with that slot, so you probably have to leave it open or something. But I strongly suggest getting this little door with the slot cut out for your mic adapter. I mean, it's a must. You got to do it. I always shoot in cinematic 4K. That's 4K is the way to go. It's the best. The way it looks really great, really sharp. I will say this: a lot of times you're facing the sun, and that glare is just really, overbearing. So what I did is I bought some filters, some ND filters you can place over the camera, just like that. And this helps out a lot. It takes away that glare, that brightness. And there's different levels. If the sun is beating right into it, there's a darker one that you can put on there, and it also helps with the cinematic value of your video too. Like I said, being a filmmaker, I know these things, so these are a must. I even use these on my filmmaking camera too. I got a lot of lenses and filters and stuff like that for different types of the day and different sunshines and stuff like that. But there you go, lens filter, you gotta have that. Along with this GoPro, it comes with one battery. I got two GoPros, so it has a battery each. So I bought an extra one. It came along with this charger here. See, it's a GoPro charger. Really great. It's always good to have an extra battery. A lot of times I don't use this one right here. You know, when I do, it's usually on a tripod or something, but I very rarely use it. So I'll have all 3 batteries ready for this one that's clipped onto my cap. But I rarely go through even 2 batteries. By the time I have to switch out batteries, I usually already have enough footage for my video, my fishing video. But there's been some times where I had to change a battery out, you know, and because the fishing was good, so I had to keep going, you know, so one of those things. But yeah, that's it. Just your battery charger, and 3 extra batteries, 2 GoPros, your filter, your mic adapter. Again, is very important, mic adapter. You can use the GoPro mic, but it'll catch all the surrounding sound and stuff like that. So I recommend you get a lavalier mic like the Rode. Just clip it right here and go at it. You'll have some great fun with all this stuff. It's really easy to carry. I have everything in this box. I can carry the box with me, you know, wherever I go. So it's not, you know, cluttery or nothing like that. But yeah, that's it. That's my my rig for capturing these awesome fishing videos that I make. I like to think they're awesome, but you know, hey, they're all right. They're entertaining. It's fun. I'm getting better, so yeah, that's gonna be good. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please ask. I mean, I'm very open about what I use, where I go fishing at, and stuff like that. And please like and subscribe. I still need a lot of subscribers, and watch my videos, share them. They'll get better as I get better. So, but yeah, that's it. This is my GoPro setup. Like and subscribe. Be sure to take care of one another because we are all we have. Okay? Peace.